people on your profile. What are you doing, dude? I wouldn't give a fuck because I wouldn't care about it. Just because of one meme that I shared, you guys have created this whole bullshit for no reason. And now जब तुम्हारी फट गई है, तुझे पता चल गया है कि कुछ भी नहीं है तेरे पास प्रूव करने के लिए, you're sharing my number on social media. Like, how can I trouble this chick now? You have done it enough, Kevin. You have done it enough. And one more time, you say anything about me, I'm going to police station and I'll fuck your case. Like, you need to stop to date. And the reason that I liked you, because you said you're here to win. And I wanted the same. So this bullshit that he's doing right now and saying कि oh why did she come to Splitsvilla if she didn't wanted to date, ठीक है, उसका already 50 सीन बाहर चल रहा था हर पुणे की, like I don't want to get in there, but he had a lot of scene going on outside. And he's saying that let me correct him. He said गोवा का प्लान हमारा पहले से बना हुआ था, so it was not just for me and Kat, whatever. हमारा पहले से पूरे ग्रुप के साथ प्लान बना था, and Kat said that I will also come. So then why were you having so many issues when I was working? Because तुम्हारा तो गोवा का प्लान ऑलरेडी बना हुआ था ना, तो why weren't you like just chilling? Why were you having trouble when I was working? Okay? And he's saying that she was just working all the time and I used to get mad at him for not working. Let me correct you that. I went to Goa. तुम्हारा तो प्लान बना था पर मैंने सब कुछ प्लान किया. Okay? So I had to shoot for the hotel because you guys were enjoying. I was the one doing the hard work because I arranged everything and you were enjoying it. Okay? So you weren't doing anything. So I was doing all the सारी मेहनत मैं करूँ, तुम मजे ले रहे थे, and then you have problems with that too कि क्यों काम कर रही है. Of course bro, मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा, काम करना, like that's why we are here, right? Then he's saying that he wanted to know about me. Give me a second. I remember a day गोवा पे, सबको पता है, निकी को पता है, पूछ लेना उसको. गोवा पे first day he said he was really annoyed with me. We were fighting because I was working a lot, and he said that all the time you're just working. I have a lot of his family thing that I don't want to bring up, how he was talking about my brother. I don't want to talk about your mom and dad. Let's not get there. Okay, let's not make it that ugly. Yeah. So he's like, I hate that you work so much and this and that. And then I was like, ठीक है चलो, one day I won't work. मैंने next day break लिया था. And I was like, I'll wake up early morning and shoot करूँगी. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठ के मैं shoot करने गई. I got my whole shoot done in 3 hours because Kevin wasn't there and there was no distraction and nothing, and I was just working. 3 घंटे में मैंने सारा shoot खत्म किया, and I was like, okay, now I'm free for the day. You know what was his chilling? He's sitting in the sofa down in the like lunch area, and he's on his phone. पूरे दिन he's smoking weed and he's on his phone all day. That was his chilling. And I was like, you said that you wanted to spend time, you wanted to know me, and actually at that time उसका एक videographer friend भी था. Me and him, we were having more conversation than me and Kevin, because he was busy looking at his phone, texting someone, God knows what he was doing. Okay, so ये सब कर रहा था वो. Now getting back to the screenshot that he had posted, making it look like I was in fault. Okay, as I said, I was a fool that I was forgiving everything that he was doing. Okay, and uske baad I was trying to fix things because I was like, I don't want to end it like that. Like, I don't want to just give up like that, because for me it was real. I was fighting for it, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna give it a try. And you want to blame me for anything, whatever, keep blaming me, it's okay, let's fix this. That was my whole chat about. Okay, now when Kevin is making it all look like We ended because Kat cheated on me. Give me a second. 27th of April, we stopped talking to each other. 27th. I went to Goa on the 1st. That means we broke up on the 27th. First, I was in Goa. मैं गोवा में किसको मिलूं, क्या करूं, none of your business. First thing. Now when you're talking about my family, friends, me posting stuff, it's not the first time that I have posted pictures with guys. I never said that. If you scroll down to my page, I have posted few pictures with my friends. Okay? I have never posted a kissing picture. I have never posted a picture with my boyfriend. That's what I said. When I said I like to keep things private, that doesn't mean that I was saying I don't want to take any picture with a guy, because I don't know what your mentality is, and every time you keep talking about Luke, Jigger, this, that, dude, you post a lot of pictures with your friends. Like, let's not get there. You leaked my number. Like, don't tell me that you're so dumb. Don't tell me that you're so dumb that तुमने देखा नहीं, तुमने गलती से post कर दिया. You did all this thing because you know that is gonna trouble me, and you're doing your best. You're doing your best to do that. Yesterday I posted it and said that I'm done doing all this bullshit. But you leaking my number, I just don't know what to do. Like, I have to come live and just talk about it. And the reason that you have to turn your comments off, why? अगर तुम इतनी सच्चाई के वो हो तो why do you have to turn your comments off? Why? Why do you have to turn your live comments off? Why? Because तुम्हें पता है, तुम बस भोंक रहे हो, तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं है बोलने के लिए, कुछ नहीं है बोलने के लिए, ठीक है? I will post pictures. The time when we started having trouble was all because of him messaging 10 different girls, me seeing a lot of messages, him messaging his ex-girlfriend. It was a lot of things. It wasn't just one thing. And I have clearly mentioned in the messages where I'm saying that I gave you chances a lot of time, Kevin, and I'm done with it. I ignored everything. Even like when we broke up, whatever, I was going through so much, and I still didn't want it to like talk about it or say anything.
खुदा का
Out who I was dating. Tell me who I was dating. Okay? Kevin, how much he loves this whole social media thing. And he keeps saying that I love social media. I do love social media. Yes, this is why I'm working. Like, I'm very grateful for everything, and I work really hard for it. And yeah, so I was trying to save his ass, even when we were like not. Sorry, I'm using my. Yeah. So even when we broke up, I was trying to save his ass. That's the reason I didn't really talk anything about it, and I never said anywhere that he cheated on me or this or that, blah blah blah. कुछ नहीं बोला मैंने, कुछ भी नहीं बोला मैंने, because I just thought that sense ही नहीं बनता है. ठीक है, जो हो गया हो गया. I didn't want it to make it ugly. The Clubhouse thing, let me get back to that now. Clubhouse, he goes to Clubhouse, and then he, whatever the song was, these hoes and loyal, blah blah blah. Okay, the next day I'm sitting with Nikki. Kevin has no idea about this. Okay, and I told Nikki, don't tell Kevin that I am here. Nikki is sitting here. Nikki का phone speaker में है, and Kevin starts singing these hoes and loyal, and he starts singing this song, these hoes and loyal, blah blah blah. And Nikki asked, ये किसके लिए? Why are you saying this? And he's like, of course for Kat. And now he's lying about all this bullshit. He's such a liar. वो मुंह पे कुछ और बोलता है. Like, you know what he does? I'll tell you. how he plays this whole Instagram game. He will come Instagram पे आएगा और फिर बोलेगा oh my god how amazing this chick is, how amazing this is and that is. He will make himself look such a nice guy that he says nothing bad about anyone, and then he will call his friends. He will say 10 different things in front of his guy's friend about me, that Cat is this type of girl, Cat is this, Nikki is this, that. 10 चीज़ें वो सब के बारे में ऐसी बातें करेगा उसने like, and he's saying that I never say anything to anyone. If you, I don't know, like, if you guys have seen my messages, the way I write everything, I'm very polite most of the time, and I do not like fighting at all. I'm not a kind of person who fights, and I'm not that. I like just run away whenever there is any drama because I'm not dramatic at all. And then this guy, I remember after this hoes and loyal blah blah, I messaged him saying that you have to stop talking about me, saying my name. Just stop it, or else I'm gonna honestly file a complaint against you. And then he says that okay, I'll stop talking about you. Okay. And after all this everything, 2 seconds, I wanted to remember there was something very important. Auntie, can I call you in some time? I'll call you in some time. No, auntie, yes. Why will I take him on live? I don't want to take him on live. Why? I don't want to listen to his crap. I don't want him. Don't want at all. He have leaked my number, auntie. He wants to end it. He wants to end it. He have to apologize. I want him to apologize in the. Okay, fine, perfect. Okay, so as you all know, this is it. Kevin wants to apologize because all the shit that he was talking about me, blah blah blah, कुछ proof नहीं मिला किसी को भी. It's so easy actually. Like, it's so easy when you're like, you know, लड़कियों का नाम तुम उछाल देते हो ना कि oh, she's a cheater just because she's hanging out with guys. It's so easy. Like, and a person who's going through that goes through a lot of things. I had to go through a lot of things because of all